First thing you need is
bucket, whatever.
First thing you want to do is have a sales and a discount, right? You want to do daily sales, 25%, 30%, increase the price, and yeah, get a sale going to at least begin with.
Are you going to the bathroom? Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, so get a sale and discount because that basically just increases customer urgency, gets them more inclined to want to buy. Okay.
Add more products like this. I mean, this is probably going to be working exceptionally well because of Valentine's Day right now. But whatever you want to do is you want to double down into that particular niche, okay? So you want to keep going into that niche, keep further and further and further. Whereas a lot of the other products you have on your store aren't particularly relevant to that, right? Like you've just got random necklaces, whereas this is a beautiful gift box and it's perfect for gifting, blah, blah, blah. So you want to add more products exactly like this one. You want to double down, triple down, quadruple down into the specific stores that are niching for you.
Don't worry, he's gone to the toilet. It'll be a while, so you won't get in that. But yeah, bro, you said you made 140 euro, only €4 profit. Like at the start, don't worry about it. Focus on, like Craig said, adding good listings, optimizing them, get reviews in. As you get reviews in and you get your first 50 to 70 sales, then you can start increasing your pricing a little bit, start focusing a little bit more on profitability. At the start, you don't need to worry about that so much. At the beginning of your journey, don't focus too much on profit. Again, it comes down to the longer you're willing to just focus on improving your store, getting the sales in, getting reviews in, you'll start to see the snowball effect, and then you will just start to become profitable as the volume of orders go up, etc.